Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Have you ever received a Facebook friends request from someone you don't know? Did you know that Facebook allows you to change a privacy setting so that only friends of friends can send you friend request? This is what we will explain today. How to control who can see your friends request on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then press on settings. Scroll down till we get privacy settings. Go down a little bit and press on who can send you friend requests. Here we have several options. First one, everyone, means that anyone can send you friend requests. Second one, friends of friends, means that only your friends of friends can send you friend requests. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to control who can send you friends request on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.